Welcome back. We're going to be talking about some jellyfish tips and
Hey,
tricks.
Dad, show them how to burn their house down with the jellyfish.
Dun, dun, dun.
Well, you heard him. Let's dig in. This fire effect looks great on the columns, especially when used with different presets on the other zones. Now let's make it from scratch. So we'll create a new pattern. To see what we're doing, we need to select the preview zone, which will be columns in this case. And then we can go and then we can select our colors. For this effect, I'm using 6 colors. When you add them in, they will be random, and then we need to change them. For this, I like to use various reds, oranges, and yellows. Using a variety of shades instead of repeating ones allows you to create a better flicker for this effect. Now that our chosen colors are chasing, we can add some transformations. I like progression and increase the number, and this allows those several shades to be increased to many more. We effectively have more cells to display now, so we'll increase our speed to get the chase going again. Once we do this, we can use the skip function to allow us to skip colors amongst this progression, which gives us a more random looking effect. At this point, it becomes trial and error between speed, skip, and the number of cells used in the progression to get the effect to look like you want it to. My final settings had 7 colors, a 2-cell progression, and a 1-cell skip. At a high speed, this gave me a flicker that I enjoyed. While it looks great on its own, it looks even better with the rest of my Halloween look.